Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change transmission fluid in a Jeep Wrangler JL. This crucial maintenance task helps prolong your transmission's life and ensures smooth operation. While some manuals suggest a lifetime fluid, the transmission manufacturer, ZF, recommends a fluid and filter change every 50,000 to 60,000 miles for optimal performance. You will need specific tools, including a drain pan, various sockets, a torque wrench, and the correct Mopar 8 and 9-speed automatic transmission, fluid and filter. First, warm up your transmission fluid by driving for about 15 to 20 minutes, cycling through all gears. This helps the fluid drain more completely. Once warm, park your Jeep on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and chock the wheels for safety. You may need to remove any skid plates covering the transmission. Place a large drain pan beneath the transmission, then carefully loosen the pan bolts, starting from the rear, to allow the old fluid to drain. After the fluid has drained, completely remove the transmission pan. Take out the old transmission filter and thoroughly clean the pan, paying close attention to the magnets, which collect metallic debris. Install your new transmission filter, ensuring its O-ring is correctly seated for a proper seal. Place a new pan gasket onto the clean pan, then carefully reinstall the transmission pan, tightening the bolts to 11 Newton meters, or approximately 8 foot-pounds. Now, refill the transmission with about 5.5 to 6 quarts of the specified Mopar 8 and 9-speed automatic transmission fluid using a fluid transfer pump. Start the Jeep, and with your foot on the brake, cycle through all gears, pausing for 5 seconds in each. Monitor the fluid temperature, aiming for 86 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. With the engine running and at the correct temperature, remove the fill plug and add fluid until a steady drip appears, then reinstall the plug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.